Today I'm going to show you how to practice pickleball in your apartment. And the trick is this ball. This ball is a foam ball and it does not make any sound and it's not going to break anything. So today I'm going to show you how to do 7 different drills right behind your door. So this is my door right here. What I try to aim is from here to here. One is dinking. So we'll go forehand and backhand. Forehand and backhand. So right now, the second drill is your backhand drill. Number 3 is forehand drill. Fourth drill is volleys with your backhand. Number 5 is volleys with forehand. Okay, 6 is volleys with forehand and backhand. Seven is the drill, forehand and backhand, combine them together so you get a better rhythm. I think if you do these 7 drills, that can take you maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes. What I like about this, I can take it with me when I go away for business or vacation. It fits right in my bag. I bring my foam ball with me and I can practice right in my hotel room with no problem. I recommend for you to watch some videos on YouTube. You can watch matches or you can watch some pros. That way you can learn what grip you want to use or what kind of style of game you want to play. With these drills, they're definitely going to help your rhythm, but watching YouTube videos is really going to make you a better player.